Welcome back to Literature Genres. In this video, we shall be knowing some of the important multiple objective questions for the upcoming Tamil Nadu Set English 2021. The first question is, who is the author of Memoirs of the Life of Sir Walter Scott? John G. Lockhart. Who is the author of Memoirs of the Life of Sir Walter Scott? The answer is John G. Lockhart. Second question, the figure of speech. Synesthesia is. What is the meaning of synesthesia? The experience of two or more modes of sensations when only one sense is being stimulated. When only one sense is being stimulated, we can have experience of more than two modes of sensations. Third question is, when was the Reform Bill passed? When was the Reform Bill passed? In the year 1832. In the year 1832, Reform Bill was passed. The fourth question, the Life of Scott was written by. The Life of Scott was written by Lockhart. Fifth question, according to Arnold, what is lacking in Chaucer? According to Arnold, what is lacking in Chaucer? High seriousness. In his work written by Geoffrey Chaucer, high seriousness is lacked, said by Matthew Arnold. Sixth question, what is threnody? What is threnody? Which means song sung at death or dirge, elegy. Threnody has similar words to dirge or elegy. It is a song written during the lamentation of a dead person. Seventh question, who was the hero in mind of Browning while he composed the poem Patriot? When he wrote the poem Patriot, which hero was in the mind of Robert Browning? The answer is Arnold of Brescia. Arnold of Brescia. Eighth question, blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not that keen, is from the which play? It is from the play As You Like It. These words are present. These words are present in the play As You Like It. Ninth question, blow, blow thou winter wind. These lines are taken from the play As You Like It. And who used these words? The answer is, it is sung by Amines. It is sung by Amines. It is one of the characters who utter these words. Amines. 10th question is, when did W.B. Yeats receive Nobel Prize for Literature? When did W.B. Yeats receive a Nobel Prize in Literature? 1923. In the year 1923, W.B. Yeats received Nobel Prize for Literature. 11th question, who is Walt Whitman mourning in the poem O Captain, My Captain? Who is being mourned by Walt Whitman in the poem O Captain, My Captain? We know that it is none other than Abraham Lincoln. 12th question is, which is John Keats' first poem? Which is John Keats' first poem? The answer, on first looking into Chapman's Homer. On first looking into Chapman's Homer, it is a sonnet by John Keats, published in the Examiner magazine in the year 1816 and later published in the collection called Poems in 1817. It was the first collection of Keats, considered that it is the first mature poem. It is the first mature poem of John Keats. Thank you for watching, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, share and like. If you are BA and MA English students, and this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.